Ito pinindot sa labas.
Nagre-record.
Hi mga ka-Easters! Hello sa inyo dyan. Welcome to our channel, Happy Easter Day Family. Kung hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na sa channel namin and i-click mo yung bell button so that you will get notification whenever we post a video. So for today, finally, nakabili na kami ng Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Well, hindi possible na medyo late na ako nag-post because we've been checking on it in different websites and different stores, and finally we have decided to buy this at Best Buy just last 3 days ago. So we really waited for the right time to buy for this. I really do like photography. I do have DSLR. We do also have Canon G7X2 and GoPro Black 7 for our YouTube videos and pictures. And then since this one maganda siya kasi automatic na magkakaroon ng pictures, dito sa my kids room namin, we're planning to have a memory wall where we could put some of the pictures coming from the Instax Mini. As you can see, I chose this color, mint green. I believe there are different colors available, but this one, ang cool niya kasi tignan. Maganda yung kulay niya sa mata. Let's open this up. I bought this again in Best Buy for $99. Not only that you have the camera, but you also have, it's a bundle. Let's open it! Okay. Wow. Here's the box. Inside the box. First thing that I see here are the 3 clipboards. This is really good if you want to put picture on your office table or in your room. So we have here the blue one, red, and black. It's cool. So pwede nyo isabit yung mga pictures nyo dyan. Next, I do have here the Instax Mini Rainbow of films. It's already included in the bundle, a total of 10 sheets. That's why I bought an extra in Best Buy. This one is white color, and there are also 20 sheets for this. Alright, so the next one that we have here in the box is this. This is the case for the Instax, and it's color white. I love this color. That it has case already. I don't have to buy. Ayan, ang cute niya. And then you can use this strap, and it would look like a bag on the side. There. And finally, we do have the Instax Mini 9 here. I'm so excited to open it. What's the difference between the 8 and the 9 is the selfie mirror in front. It has a wrist strap. Same color, mint green siya. Here. So you can put your hand here inside, and you also have a sticker. So this one is what they're saying. It's like an adjustment. This will give a focus on your picture if you want to put this in front of your lens. You can use this for focused pictures. Kung gusto niyo may mas focus yung pictures niyo, mas closer yung distance. Here is the Instax Mini 9. Since wala pa siyang film, ang gaan niya talaga. Very handy. So cute. Sa mga mommies dyan, be careful with this. This might look like a toy for your kids. So maybe we can orient our kids that this is a camera and not a toy. We're going to put the battery. There are 2 AA batteries that you have to put in the camera. Okay. And then we're going to put them here. So naka-attach na yung camera natin, yung batteries natin. Here is the on. Okay, so it means it's on already. And then this is where you're going to click it. Pag nakita nyo na yung orange light, it means it's on. Okay? They are saying also that whenever you take a picture, be careful not to cover these. This is the flashlight, and we don't have on and off options for your flashlight. It will just automatically turn on when it's needed to have a flashlight, and it's gonna automatically turn off kapag hindi naman kailangan. Here is the Selfie Mirror, which is very exciting because you can see yourself taking picture, and as we know, there is no such thing as you have to click it again. Nakakatulong yung Selfie Mirror because we know for a fact that this one automatically develops the picture, so we don't have any choice but to accept whatever that is the result. And here at the back, dito tayo sa silip para makita natin. And this one is dito lalabas yung film. And now we're going to open the film and we'll try to put it in the camera. It's in a very nice packet. Meron dito mga signs na nagsasabi, do not touch it with your thumb, and even at the back. So you have to hold here at the side of the film. Okay. We're going to open it from here. And there's a yellow line on the upper left part. And there's also a yellow line here. I-align lang natin siya. Don't be surprised kapag kinlik na natin itong button na to ay lalabas black film because initially hindi pa yun talaga yung film natin. Yun lang parang cover ng film. First shot natin, itatapon lang natin yan. And then the second one, yun na talaga yung film niya. So, let's try. Smile! Not yet. Okay, so nakalagay dito, this is not a film. Ito lang yung cover ng pinaka-film natin. And kapag ito lumabas successfully, it means tama yung paglagay natin, pag-install natin ng film, and pwede na tayo mag-picture. Okay, so sa mga reviews, sinasabi na ang Instax Mini or any Instax like this, ang picture niya hindi talaga yung kagaya sa mga DSLR na makukulay. This one has a retro style, and kung feel nyo naman yung kanong klaseng picture, then you can go for this. Personally, I like that kind of a picture. I do play with different kinds of vibes pagdating sa mga pictures. Dito nakikita rin natin yung parang temperature ng picture natin. Meron pwede nating mga choices, different temperatures na pwede nating gamitin sa ating mga pictures. We could just play with it first and then later on we'll get the hang of it. So meron ditong house, cloud, sun, sunny, and high key. So dito natin makikita kung ano yung gusto natin lumabas sa ating picture. Kung gusto nating super bright talaga, meron ditong high key. Yun yung mas brighter pa sa ina-expect ng camera. So you can be artistic when it comes. By the way, there are two types or two ways on how you take a picture. First, pag ganito, and the second one is ganyan. Just always remember that the flash should be upright here on the left side. Hindi siya pwedeng ganyan. Now we're going to try my first picture. Pipicture natin yung nasa likod ng camera ngayon. So, i-on natin siya. Here. Okay, lumabas na yung very first picture dito sa Instax Mini 9. And it says here in the manual that most likely you just have to wait for 90 seconds. Huwag natin to itatak-tak kasi mas maganda yung output niya kung hindi natin siya tatak. Teka lang.
Kanyari mo.
So, ayan. Eto na yung finished product natin. Picture siya ni Ashley behind the camera. Ang ganda ng picture niya. It's like retro, vintagey type of a picture. And we can put it in the clipboard if we want, or on the wall. Ilagay dyan. Diba? Ang cute-cute niya. Ilagay yan sa table. That's it, guys. So I really hope this video still helps you, even if it's 2019. I know this one was released in 2017. Turn off na natin siya. Ilagay na natin siya sa bag. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy Easter Day, family. Thank you very much, everybody. See you again. You say bye-bye to everybody. Bye.
Be cooperating.
Get the picture of Tita Ashley. Hello. Bye, guys.
Ay na.
Ang ganda, girl. Ang ganda.